welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I show you how I make really quick broccoli with pasta. If you have one of those emergency dinners, I have you covered. So stay tuned, give me that like, share this video. Yes. So it's a madhouse and you have to get food ready very fast. I love making this amazing meal because everyone enjoys it and it's so healthy because it's power packed with broccoli. It's so lemony. Come, let me show you the ingredients that you need. So for your ingredients, you need 350 grams of pasta, 1 cauliflower, 1 broccoli head, and then 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then you need 3 tablespoons of shredded cheese, and then 2 garlic cloves minced. Here is it minced. And then for seasoning, some salt, some black pepper, and some oregano. You can do half a teaspoon of each. And then what I love to use for my pasta is when you have some chicken soup left over, what I do is I use 1 cup of chicken stock. I am so excited to make this amazing meal. So first of all, in a large pot, we're going to boil some water, and then we're going to put our pasta, and then after that, after 3-4 minutes, we're going to add our broccoli. So let's get that started. So put our water in a large pot and put some salt in. So let that boil. As it boils, we're going to cut our broccoli. Show you how to do that. Start to finish in 30 minutes, your dinner is ready. Yes, so we're going to cut our broccoli. So you first remove the outer leaves like this. And you make sure you wash your broccoli really thoroughly, then you dry it. So you have something like this, looking so nice. Yes. Cut all the outer leaves out. Cut round like this. Just cut round, go round. They are rich in fiber. That's why I like cooking for my kids. And this particular recipe, they love the creamy pasta with it. Next, I separate this broccoli. If you'd like really short ones, you can remove the stems like that. But I like them with a little bit of stem like that. So you can if you want to hide your broccoli in the food, use this recipe for your kids. They will love it. They will love it. How you remove the stem like that. Like this, you just go around. water has boiled, so we're going to put our pasta in. Put our pasta in. Leaves. Half space. Cauliflower. So next, once you remove the outer flowers, as I told you, depending on the stem you want, you just go around cutting. It's so easy. Most people are like, Caro, I don't know how to cut my cauliflower, I don't know how to cut my broccoli. This is easy. You just go around cutting the stems like this. Like that. Then you finish off like that. It's that easy. Look at this. Amazing. And then you start to detach them like this. The same process. Slowly. Like this a big piece. So you just touch it like this. Slowly by slowly. Like that. See? Amazing. It's a really nice source of fiber. So I include it in this food. And it's so tasty. I love it. There you see these stem leaves like that. That is amazing. Very healthy. Very, I love it. I never have to worry getting my kids to eat their broccoli when I make this amazing meal. So next we're going to add this in our pasta. So you add it in. That's amazing. Look at that. Amazing. So let that boil for 5 minutes. We're going to melt our butter over medium heat on a large pan. Next, we're going to add our garlic and cook for 1 minute. Let it brown for 1 minute. smells amazing. Let me just add a bit of salt. Then you're going to season also with some oregano. Gives it that nice taste. Amazing. The smell smells like home. So delicious. So next we're going to put our chicken broth, just a bit, slowly by slowly. Slowly by slowly. Oh voila, look at that. Our broccoli and pasta is ready. Look at that, so dry. So you make sure it's dry. If it's not completely dry, you can drain the excess water. So next what you do is I add a bit of lemon on it, lemon juice, like that. So we're going to add our pasta and broccoli here to season. We give it that nice taste for everyone to love in the house. It smells amazing. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. So lemony. I love that lemony taste. So different and so creamy. Look at that. Amazing. It's amazing. Wow. It's great. Look at that. So your food is ready. Look at this. Look at this. You can actually break the big piece of broccoli and make them smaller like that, but it's so nice. It's amazing. Just season it like that. So healthy. Wow, look at that. Yum. Going to sprinkle some cheese, what my babies love. Wow, look at that. Gives it that kick. Wow, look at that. Some grated cheese, some parmesan. You can use any type of cheese you have that you love. And it will taste That's it. Our meal is done, completely done. 30 minutes, so easy and ready to be served. So we're going to serve this and serve. Look at that. The cheese have melted. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. Yeah. We're going to serve this and serve. my god, look at this. It smells so lemony. I love that lemony taste and smell. Cannot wait to have a taste. And have a taste of this. Some heat, a bit of cauliflower. It's so delicious, and what I love about it is so creamy. That creamy taste from the butter is just so amazing, and then the lemon, I just love it because it's so unique. Try this recipe and tell me how it turned out. Feel free to ask me any question that you have, and be sure I will always comment and give you feedback. So that's it from me, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing episode. If you have, make sure to subscribe, give me that like, and share this video, and I'll really appreciate it. So that's it from me. Bye bye.